So even if you have a tad bit knowledge about Instagram, you know that how important stories are to keep your audience engaged. With that being said, today let's check out how you can take your Instagram stories to another level. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about color grading. For this, I use VSCO X. Just import the picture and then you'll have a ton of presets. Simply go through all of them and select the one you like. For me personally, I like the M5, which is from the Moody collection. It gives sort of a moody look that I obviously love. Then comes the editing tab. Over here you will find the options to control exposure, contrast, white balance, etc. But what I do is add a little bit of grain and then I go to the HSL tab and tweak it according to my liking. Once done, just save the picture to your gallery. Then what you can do is add some text to your photo. For this I use AppForType. Here you will find tons of text presets and you can even use the stock fonts to write your custom text. After that you can just erase certain parts of the text so that it seems like the text is behind your subject. This gives a very unique look to the picture, and once done you can save the picture directly to your gallery. The last step is about presentation. For this I use Unfold. Simply create a new project, then you can select between various presets that are surely gonna catch some eyes. Then just import your picture, click on the download icon and save it to your gallery. And well, that's how you create super eye-catchy Insta stories. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.